Have you been driving and sneezing at the same time?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to bring you in.
For what?
Get out of the car, please.
What?
Man, please, just get out of the car. I don't want any trouble. Come on.
For driving and sneezing?
Yeah.
That's
new
ridiculous.
law. Come on. Get out. Come on. Come on. Alright.
What's wrong with you?
You insulting me now? You insulting an officer? No, I'm getting my notes out. I'm ready to read. Where are you going? Please wait. Remember, kids, don't sneeze and drive.